government's recent crackdown on online dark patterns is now bearing fruit. At least 26 online brands have now declared self-compliance on the issue. These include giants like Flipkart, Zomato, Swiggy, Myntra, Make My Trip, JioMart, Tata 1mg, among others as well. In fact, Business Today Television spoke to Minister Prahlad Joshi about the steps being taken there. Let's listen in to what the minister had to say.
As far as dark pattern is concerned, we have told all the major companies, for the online companies, for the internal audit. They should, what are the dark patterns? We have given the guideline. Whether whatever actions they are doing, whatever the transaction they are doing, whether is there any dark pattern, they have to identify. And they have to submit that audit report to us. That was been made, and 26, I think, companies they have submitted, major 26 companies. And whenever new things come up, because it is a dynamic situation, every day new things will come up. Whenever it comes to our notice, we will talk to the concerned people and try to resolve that.
So do you believe there should be a framework, because this has been repetitive across the likes of Flipkart, Uber, Ola, etc. Should there be a framework for stricter action in your view?
No. For example, today if you say one particular thing as a dark pattern, we will address that. Tomorrow something else may, there cannot be a permanent framework. They will come out in a different way for to same issue, they may come out in a different way, or some different dark pattern may come up. So you can't make a permanent dark pattern, because it is market is a dynamic market. It is daily there will be changes. Agar aaj particular company is running this taxi related business, means there are some companies online booking for the vehicles. Tomorrow another company may come, or tomorrow he may impose another condition which immediately you may not understand. It is they are trying, it means they are losing by paying extra. When somebody notices it, and if he gives a complaint in the CCPA through a helpline, then we will act. You can't permanently fix a framework, because that framework, then they will also, because people who are doing business, they are also intelligent. They will think in a different way and find other ways to do it. No?
All right, let me straight away go across to Aishwarya Patil, my colleague, who's spoken to the minister about these dark patterns, to understand what these dark patterns truly are. And as consumers, if in case you are noticing certain of these patterns come up in front of you, how do you identify them, and what are some of the steps that you could be taking in there?